Got to look outside from our tower cam, looking out over Muskegon Lake. Water there, relatively calm, especially when you compare it to the waves people have been seeing on Lake Michigan. We're going to get to that in a few moments. First, I'm in the Weather Center now with Chief Meteorologist George Lessons. George, nice, calm period of weather we're seeing out there right now.
Very pleasantly warm. We like that. It is not humid out there, but that's going to take place this weekend. But we still have some choppy weather out on Lake Michigan. You can see some of the waves, especially there in Holland. That's the north side of the break wall or the channel wall there. Good news is I've not seen anybody out on the channel wall this afternoon and this evening. That is good news. Our Earth Cam in Grand Haven, you can see the waves just gently rolling on shore. Those are running about 3 to 5 feet, and that puts us in the danger category. As you can see from the Spy Class condos webcam, the rollers are just rolling over the pier, and that will wash you into the channel very, very easily. Because the winds are coming right down the lake, gusting to over 20 miles an hour, and that is leading to those higher than average waves. They're running about 3 to 5 feet, as I mentioned. Very warm here in Grand Rapids, 77 degrees. The warmest 78 in Muskegon. Further east, where there are a few more clouds, it's only in the 60s. We'll match our temperatures like that here during the day tomorrow. And we have not seen any pop-up showers. Those have mostly been east of US 127, but there's still a very slim chance one of those could yet arrive this evening. But we got nothing but sunshine next couple of days. All of those showers and storms will wait until very late Thursday night, early Friday to come on through, and it's only a chance, so a dry period coming up. Other than that, down to 50 again tonight, 78 here tomorrow, and 80 on Thursday, and we'll start to see a little bit more humidity starting Friday as we hit the upper 70s. What's ahead for your weekend? We have got that on the way as a little bit later on.
This is the weather many wait all winter for, those mild temperatures and sunny skies.
Yep, really nice out there, and George on the weather deck enjoying it. But while we're enjoying this, George, you're looking ahead to what could very well be first heat wave of the year.
Yeah, that could be arriving as early as Saturday or especially on Sunday. Because the air is so dry right now, the ground is so dry, we have huge temperature swings. It gets cool at night and it warms up very rapidly during the afternoon. Surprisingly warm here, especially out at the airport this afternoon. 13 weather ball. It's going to stay green for the comfortably warm weather pattern foreseen. And this view brought to you by Countryside Greenhouse of Allendale. We're going to be dropping to 74 by 7 o'clock. We're seeing a few cumulus clouds coming in from the east. Not impossible there could still be a brief shower late this afternoon or this evening, but we'll quickly drop into the 50s by 11 and back down to 50 in the morning at 7 a.m. Around the region, you can see those cumulus clouds spinning around that big low pressure system in the eastern part of Canada. We're on the back edge of that. It's just spinning them back in our direction. Lakeshore areas have seen nothing but sunshine today. We've seen some scattered cumulus clouds. Still no pop-up showers. There have been a few of them east of US 127, but that may be as far east or as west as they get, as that storm system just continues to provide a lot of rain for the New England states. We're in the sweet spot, lots of sunshine both Wednesday and Thursday. We'll start to see some of this rain perhaps early as late Thursday night through Friday morning, but in the meantime, warm, 77 here, only 65 in Detroit, but up into the 80s, 80 in Minneapolis. We'll be getting close to that over the next couple of days. Let's track where the rain may come from. You can see the showers, nothing going on here tonight or during the day tomorrow. We're right in that best spot. All the rain staying to our south and east, and this cold front staying to our west here tomorrow. Another beautiful sunny day, warm temperatures with a light north wind. Wednesday night clear, Thursday going to be clear, but you can see right where the cold front is, that is eventually going to work its way through very late to Thursday night into Friday morning. We'll see a chance of a shower on Friday morning, and then that will push to the east during the day. Back into some sunshine, but behind that, we're going to start to warm things up for the weekend. Back into the mid-80s perhaps as early as Saturday and near 90 on Sunday. We'll be into the mid and upper 70s here during the day tomorrow and again on Thursday, and then getting up into the mid to upper 70s again on Friday. All the way around, very warm, nice weather pattern. Out on Lake Michigan tonight, small craft advisories for the early part of the night. Waves will start to drop to around 1 to 2 feet under mainly clear skies. Notice the winds go offshore. But again, this evening, as Elena mentioned, there is a high risk for rip currents, especially from Whitehall southward. Waves running about 3 to 4 feet in many areas, and that's until very late tonight after about 9 o'clock. Water temperatures generally in the upper 50s and low 60s. They may go down another degree or two, especially with those winds blowing the warmer waters offshore. For tonight, though, clear at the lake shore, 45 north to as warm as 51 in Holland and in Muskegon. Clear skies up north, down into the mid-40s, very comfortable. Just a few evening cumulus clouds there. Similar here in Grand Rapids, a few evening cumulus clouds. Otherwise, clear skies tonight, down around 47 to as warm as 50 here in Grand Rapids. 78 on Wednesday, near 80 on Thursday. A chance of a shower on Friday early in the day, especially as that cold front comes through. And then mid-80s Saturday and near 90 now on Sunday with much higher humidity. 13 on target forecast. Hot and humid Sunday and Monday, both those days near 90. 88 on Tuesday, a cold front coming through will knock the humidity down, but really not the temperatures. We'll still be in the mid-80s much of next week without much chance of rain. We can certainly use some rain. It's getting dry here in West Michigan.
Yeah, and looking ahead, if that humidity is at least down, it makes 90 degrees a little easier to deal with, George.
Oh, yeah, it'll be 90 and humid, definitely this weekend.
Thank you, sir.